CYBL stock analysis and CYBL stock prediction in this 1 minute video. What I'll be doing is showing you my exact play with Cyberlux Corporation. Overall, with 12% correction for today, I mean, I know it's on the OTC market, but I sort of like these pull downs because those are the opportunities where I'm, the most keen to buy. Because I typically buy on pull downs, but as long as it makes sense, and having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's printing me money and what is not. So if I pull up here, you will see that here's the top for me. All I wanted to see really just like a shift, like a double break in order to take it further up. And okay, there you go. If there is no sort of shift, then I'm not buying, I guess. And we have this here as well. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just briefly waiting. CYBL, I've covered this quite a ton. I mean, quite thoroughly as well. Now, if you do want to learn how making 15K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.